Welcome to the port of Tacloban City. This is actually a fishing port and a vehicle transportation port. Mahulos ang kalsada kay nag-inuran. RORO means roll on, roll off, and LOLO means left on, left off. Oh, asa ngayon duwat ini din yan. Sakayin ng jeep ti pakanto Tagpuro. Tagpuro. Tacloban, Tagpuro.
Tagpuro ko si GB.
While waiting for your boat ride or your jeep ride, you can sit down here and enjoy this beautiful view. This port connects Tacloban City to nearby towns and cities. They said that this is the fish port here. Those are fishing vessels. If you want to buy different kind of fish, you should come here as early as 1 o'clock in the morning or earlier as midnight.